and welcome back to Beyond Cooking World. Today is a very special day. Trying to guess what it is. Today is my birthday. You know what? I have to tell you this. I have a twin brother and his name is Ishan, and it's a special twin birthday. There's one more thing very special that I have to say you. Today is also my grandfather's birthday, but something very sad. Father died last January. We miss him so much. And you know what? My tata really loves cake, so that's why today we're gonna make cake. First, add water to the pan. Now sugar powder. Now my favorite part, mixing. Sugar is melted, so now let's add cocoa powder. Let's mix it. My favorite part. After mixing well, you have to add the condensed milk. So here we go. I think the chocolate syrup is done. Look. Next, you have to put 2 spoons coffee powder mixed with half a cup of water, hot water. And mix it well. These are the ingredients for the chocolate cake. 1 spoon vanilla extract, 2 eggs, half oil, half milk, half cup coffee mixture, and 1 cup sugar. Half cup cocoa powder, 1 cup flour, 1 spoon baking powder, and 1 spoon baking soda. Let's mix all the ingredients. Mixing, our favorite part. Now let's add all the flour. And now the chocolate. Now the baking powder. And then the baking soda. let's dust the powder. Look, it's coming out. Now we have to add our egg mixture to this mixture. It's time for mixing. Look, the cake batter is ready. And look how yummy it is. I tasted it and it tastes super. First, I'm going to do in the air fryer. For that, it has to 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. So let's go. I put salt in the pan and put baking pan above that. And now we have to brush it all over with oil. That's what we did in the last video. We brushed things with oil. Brush with oil, brush it every day. Brush the oil, brush oil. Now I'm going to close the lid and cook for 20 minutes. Here we go. Look, this is how it looks after cooking in the air fryer. Now let me test it. Oh look, nothing sticky. So that means it is done. Look, the cake in the gas stove is also ready. But first, let's test it. Wow, nothing is sticking. It's ready. Let's cool the cake first and then we can decorate. Now we're going to prepare the whipped cream. For that, we need 2 unsalted butters, half cup powdered sugar, the chocolate syrup that we made, and 2 spoons of milk and vanilla extract. First, let's beat the butter first. Now we can add the powdered sugar. Let's mix it. At this time, we're gonna add this ingredient. Now the chocolate syrup. Woohoo! I love chocolate. And now 2 spoons of milk. And now let's mix it. Boom! Boom! Our frosting cream is ready now. Look at it. Yum, yum. Look, I cut it apart in half. And now we have to add that coffee syrup that we prepared. Now let's add the coffee syrup that we prepared. Now we have to add the whipped cream that we prepared and then spread it all over the cake. So let's go. We have to spread it like this. Now we have to do the same process on the top. Now we have put the whipped cream all over our cake. So now let's put the chocolate syrup that we prepared. This is the cake in the air fryer. And this is the cake in the gas stove. You can decorate however you want, like us. There are some tips to make the cake good. Number 1, don't put too much coffee syrup. 2, only use powdered sugar for the frosting or it will not taste very good. Number 3, use the exact amount to make the frosting cream. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell button. See you later.